So I'll be showing you how to turn off music in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So press the options button on your controller and then go to settings. Under settings, go to audio. Under audio, you want to scroll to master volume and press the box button on your controller to show more. And here you have two options for music. You have gameplay music volume. To turn it off, just scroll and set the volume to 0. And then also you can turn the cinematic music volume off by selecting it and pushing the volume down to 0. And then now you can hit the back button to go back to the main screen. And that is basically how to turn off music in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.